context. I offer my tearful gratitude to my respected President Sir for many points of view. I am extremely grateful to my respected Director Sir, Alex Sir to me, who took me from NIT Agartala in academic tsunami and transformed me as the family member of IIM and UM. I dedicate this today's FDP to Professor Rajashree Pal, the Research Dean Associate of UM. I am grateful to Professor Dr. Muwa Chakraborty Dean, who offered me to be the first in this FDP, which is very important to all of us. Last but not the least, I am grateful to Shumata Chakraborty, who always assisted me and really loved me like my brother. In this very important research scenario, let us start. What is research? How to write research papers? At the age of 68, there is no, I'll tell everything, each and every aspect of what I learn with respect to research and book publication. This day is very important because this day is the birthday of Professor Shankar Sen, who was the electrical head of the Gideon B College, presently IIST Shibpur. At the same time, he was also the Vice Chancellor of Jadavpur University and also the ex-Power Minister. Sir was my BTech project guide. Sir often says me, Tanaka, from assistant professor to direct to the Vice Chancellor, it is a cadre, but all of us are basically teachers. Therefore, we have to teach. In Jadavpur University, being a Vice Chancellor, he taught advanced electrical machine, which was his subject to MTech students, and told all deans and HODs to take class. I offer my pranam to my BTech project guide.
Okay.
With this
Yes.
scenario, let us talk research specs. Next, research is the eternal play between our mother nature and enlightened human mind leading to creativity. Three sentences are important here. One is name mother nature, another enlightened. Here human interaction is needed. Last, creativity. These three things actually leading to research. Next, it is based on following principle. I am giving my 50 years of research experience. My first paper was published at 18. I am now 68, therefore 50 years of experience I am saying. A research work is measured by not what he says or does, but by what he becomes. That is the most important, to become. কেউ হয়ে ওঠা, গোলাপ ফুলটা গোলাপ ফুল হয়ে উঠেছে. That is really very important. Next, everything in nature, my dear brothers and sisters, is independent of everything in nature, independent of the branches of engineering or science, follows the following two rules. Namely, one is A equal to B and another one is A not equal to B. You will not believe me, all your branch of science and engineering, just the special cases of these two play of nature. We are thinking we know, but Mother Nature laughs. Let us go to next and tell you very briefly. Let us examine very few cases in this context. Let us put A equal to P and B equal to MF, then P equal to MF, which is your well-known Newton's second law, which you have studied in class 10 or 12. Next, if I put A equal to E and B equal to MC square, it gives me Einstein's famous E equal to MC square equation. Next, in this way, all physics, mathematics, and in general, everything, we try to discover A and B, which is only again branch specific. A and B in mathematics is surely not equal to A and B in mechanical. A and B in mechanical is not obviously equal to in civil. or electrical or computer, whatever may be your specialization, specific branch. Next, let us discuss another case. A is not equal to B. Let us put A equal to T and next page. Let us put A equal to T and B equal to 0. Then thermodynamics tells us T tends to 0, which is one prime example. A is not equal to B. And again, many other cases can be cited in general. Next. Now it is very important, my dear friends, dadas and didis. If we put A equal to academic output and B equal to desire into determination, into dedication, minus ego, then academic output is equal to that desire into determination, into dedication, minus ego. Now, you see, it is a very dangerous social equation. Why? The ego is increased, which is very difficult to stop. Then, instead of academic positive gain, we are going to have academic loss. I must be a desired born person. Then determination occurs. Then dedication. These three things are in a multiplied form, meaning that if one is somehow less, the product will be less. And be careful about ego. It is pretending like a true friend, but actually a real foe, which is very difficult to diagnose. Next, research without teaching, without research, without teaching is body without blood, and teaching without research is body without brain. I repeat, research without teaching is body without blood, and teaching without research is body without brain. Therefore, teaching and research, one is being intermingled to the other. Pure teacher or pure research worker are not applicable now to today. Today's scenario are totally different. Teaching and research, one is being totally intermingled with the other. You cannot have separate issue that this part is teaching and this part is research. Observer being different, interpretation being changed. This sentence I have told to my PhD students and to myself more than a crore. I am telling you a very simple thing, very simple thing. There is a rose. This rose is black rose, gives very good fragrance in the air. In the whole scenario, a mathematician came. She thinks rose in terms of topology. Then came one chemist. She thinks the rose in terms of flower chemistry. Then came one sadhu. He thinks that although I have a very beautiful orange robe, but my mind is nothing but that black rose. God, please transform it. In the scenario came one flower seller. She thinks black rose, so big in size, rarest, rare of the rarest. I must go to the market and sell it now. Otherwise, I will not get the price. You will not believe, in the scenario came one goat. She thinks all these peoples are full. I must go and eat it. What does it indicate? Object being same, observer being different, the interpretation being changed. All of us are made of electron. Newton says electron moves in a, electrons are nothing but particles. De Broglie says no, Newton is wrong. We have particle duality, that Ardhanarishwar Murti of Shivaji. Then came your Pauli, he says electron has spin added externally. Came Dirac, who says Pauli is wrong. Spin is the output of my equation known as the famous Dirac equation, and got consequent Nobel Prize. Came Hutain, who is the greatest string theorist nowadays. He says, you see people, all of them are wrong. Spin is the output of space. solve Schwinger differential equation in 5 dimensions, you will get spin automatically. Is the attribute of the space. That is why, my dear friends, object being same, observer being different, the interpretation being changed. One of the motto line in research. Next, 1 week equal to 10,008 minutes. If by applying maximum power transfer theorem, 50% efficiency, I can use 5,040 minutes, then perhaps I can perform good research. All these points I am writing here out of my sheer experience of 50 years. Next, this is also one vital mission equal to vision, equal to passion, equal to creation. Generally, our mission is X, vision is Y, passion is Z, creation is T, where X is not equal to Y, not equal to Z, not equal to T. Believe me, when all of them are equal, mission equal to vision, equal to passion, equal to creation, then whole you are going to pass your days like dreaming and night like nightingales. It's a wonderful phase. Next, it is possible to achieve, my friends. Let us discuss the type of papers. With this as the scenario background, we are not coming to our right business. Let us discuss the type of papers generally communicated in journal for favor of publication. Go on. Short note or letter to the editor. After publication, it is 2 to 3 printed journal pages, meaning you are writing at best 6 pages or 7 pages manuscript. Otherwise, it will not come to. Remember, the shorter the paper be, chance of acceptance is greater. Next, short paper, 5 to 8 printed journal pages in general. It means I am writing my manuscript just twice 10 to 16 manuscript pages. Next, long paper, 15 to 20 printed pages in general. That means I am writing 30 to 50 manuscript. Chance of rejection is very high. Only written by very mature people. Next, Excel paper. After publication, it is generally greater than 25 printed pages in general. Again written by masterman. Next, review paper and invited paper. These two things are only for the grandmasters. At least these are written by those persons who are very well respected in the whole issue, in the whole scenario, research scenario. But very unlucky, I have seen that review papers are trying to read. Our students and teachers are trying to write review papers. But please remember, review papers and invited papers are only for grandmasters. Next, how to publish a paper. Some specific rule regarding publication of research papers. This I am going to tell you how you can do it. Title of the paper, it is extremely important. Extremely important. Title of the paper, it has to be tremendously attractive. Otherwise, your paper will be rejected. Suppose you are taking a material, you are giving a very high amount of light intensity and trying to measure the entropy. I write the title of the paper as Effect of Light on the Entropy. It is far better to propose the title as Can Photons Affect Entropy? The referee gets mental hitting. Photon means to him electromagnetic wave, and entropy is mechanical engineering. How photons can affect entropy? The paper is interesting. Therefore, your first step is through the title, you have to evoke the interest of the foreign referee. Next, address of the author. It is very, very vital to me. After the title of the paper, please write your address where you are not now presently working at present. And please do not give other address instead of it. It is very important. Suppose I am working in IEM, but I am giving the address of Stanford University. It is ethically wrong. I am betraying my IEM. At least I feel. I may be wrong, but it is my feeling. Next, abstract. It should be as condensed as possible, highlighting only the major points. Extreme, 50 words, too much. Next, introduction. Please write your pinpointed research topic, why it is important, why you are taking it. There are a number of topics in your field of research, but why you are taking this particular topic? That means, please write your very much importance of that pinpointed research topic. Otherwise, your referee will not get much interest. Next, write very briefly the recent development. You have to show that your work has got a finite impact with respect to recent development. That means you are writing your recent references also. Next, methodology. Write as brief as possible regarding your experimental finding, if it is experimental. Next, but if it is theoretical, then write the final step after the starting initial formulation. Always under certain limiting conditions, your new results will be transformed into well-known expressions as given in the book. This mathematical compatibility is very important. If you cannot show it, it simply means whatever new thing you are doing, it must be wrong. Referee will not be convinced. Next, resultant discussion. Use minimum number of graphs and expand extreme carefully, highlighting your new finding. Don't break enough graph because journal pages are very, very costly. Condensation is extremely important. It is not elaboration. Paper is extremely condensed, written by one expert for another expert. Please remember. Next, acknowledgement. Here, please acknowledge everyone connected with this paper from where you have taken help. At this point, you might write that I am taking help from Jadavpur University, this professor, and did work in his laboratory, or any Italian professor and did work in his laboratory. Acknowledgement is the right place to address with whom you are connected and with whom you are doing paper. Next, references. Always give very, very recent references. Please remember, recency is decency. You are decent, that means you are recent. Next, before sending, this is extremely important slide, my friends. Before sending the paper in the journal, please consult with a very senior person with enough experience, not with respect to post, but with respect to academic research. This is very important. I believe firmly that all of you are really self-confident young, but looking your work through other mature person's eye point of view is really important, because by using his advice, however tough it may be, your presentation of the paper will be rather nice. Next, please remember, whether your work is either experimental or theoretical, you have to publish your work as a research paper in SCI, SCIE, ESCI, AICTE approved and UGC approved journal. This is very, very important. I may do very wonderful experiment, but I cannot publish it. It means there is some wrong somehow, somewhere, or the work is already too well known. That is why the referees are not accepting my experimental work. Same to theoretical. I may do a big theory, but if it is not accepted in the journals I have told, please remember there are more than 20,000 journals, SCI, SCIE, ESCI, AICTE approved, Scopus indexed, Web of Science, UGC approved journals. If you try, you must get a chance. Don't worry about it. Next, this is extremely important principle. The way I write my paper, the whole paper must be written in accordance with Iceberg principle. That is, 1/6 is written and the rest, 5/6 part is hidden. The referee must understand that your paper covers many. It will be totally 5/6 hidden. 1/6 you are seeing this. Just your Titanic case, you remember. This is very, very important in writing. Iceberg principle. Next. Now the question comes. If your paper is rejected, don't worry. You take the comments of the referee. You insert, move to another journal. Luck is bad. Your paper is rejected. Do not worry. Don't get frustrated. Again add his comments in your paper. A time will come when you will observe your paper is accepted with a very minor modification. To do more than 500 papers, I have communicated more than 2000 times. Failures are the really pillars of success. Don't worry when your paper is rejected. Always remember, referees are much more learned. They are take disadvantage of rejection, introduce all the points. In this way, move the paper twice or thrice journal. I am 100% sure when you are going to fifth journal, your paper is already completed. It will be accepted even with a very, very small minor correction. This is my experience. Now you are mature after publishing two papers in a short note or letter, and you now try short, long, and Excel papers. Next, remember that for a relatively less populated topic, the paper publication is easy. For relatively more populated topic, paper publication is rather difficult. Next, depending on your knack, your PhD, here the rule of the Guru PhD guide comes. Depending on your particular knack, your PhD guide will indicate which research topic you should take for your doctoral degree. This is very, very, very important. Teacher shows the path. Guruji shows me the path and I have to walk. Guru will not walk with me. I have to walk. When a child walks by alone, he always gets seated, falls on the ground, then get up, then run. In your case, same thing would be. Fall in the ground means the paper rejected. Again run means you are moving, you are adjusting all the points of the referee in your paper and again sending. This is extremely important. Without a guide, it cannot be done. Research totally Guru Vidya. Next, the role of your PhD guide I wrote here is extremely important. Actually, it is the only one point in your academic life, even after your PhD degree. I repeat, the role of your PhD guide is extremely important in your academic life, even after your PhD degree. Next, few roles of writing PhD thesis. Why I am writing publishing paper? Just to write a PhD thesis. I should know what are the basic trade secrets on the depending on which my thesis is accepted or modified or rejected. Let us discuss this. The way I move with my students. You are publishing papers for the purpose of writing your PhD thesis, which you can complete in the following way. Go on. The first chapter is the introduction and the scope of the thesis. Be careful. Here you are giving all over summary. First chapter is introduction and scope of the thesis. After reading this, referee must understand your work map. He is moving through a country. He knows, does not know. You are telling, see this, see that, see this, see that. On the basis of your published 2 to 3 papers in SCI, SCIE, ESCI or allied journals, you write 2 to 3 chapters after chapter 1. Next, write few chapters on the basis of few communicated papers. That means you have communicated, they are not accepted. Next, include in your thesis in your work, which you have done, no doubt, but you have not yet published. Next, the last chapter of your PhD thesis is results and discussion. It is extremely important. Your referee will read this, but foreign referee goes through this last chapter first, tries to understand what you have got here. Next, most important is that your PhD thesis must contain a page which describes your contribution in the thesis. Just one page. It is extremely important for the purpose of to convince your foreign referee regarding the quality of your work. If you can write just 7 to 8 lines, which are new, which are beautiful, which contain something new, you are 100% sure that your foreign referee is highly satisfied and he is going to accept your thesis. Next, the foreign referee I wrote here first goes last 2 points before recommending your PhD thesis. He has got not time to read your total thesis. He is very busy professor. He will try to understand what work you are doing are really new, really worthful, really fine. Next, to evaluate PhD thesis, there are 2 experts. After getting the positive reports from the 2 experts, you have to appear in Viva examination. After successful completion, you will be awarded PhD degree. But remember, your PhD guide is the first, PhD guide is the midnight, PhD guide in the last. Guide is Gurudev. He is the all and end all in your academic life. Next, after your PhD degree, please continue your research publications in an accelerated way. Otherwise, my friend, you will be considered as dead PhD. My 50 years of experience in research have taught me that only 50% PhD degree holders are rather alive. I repeat, my 50 years of experience in research have taught me the cruel fact, it is really a heartbreaking fact, that only 50% of the PhD degree holders are alive. This is our university scenario. Very, very sorry, but it is as it is. Truth is very, very bitter to swallow. Next. Now I wish to share my experience with Bright because field I told are very well known to associate professors and professors. Now, the second part, I am sharing my experience with Bright associate professors in the following way, because what they said. Next, after solid research publication in a new direction for circa 10 years, please write your respective DSc, DEng, or DELET thesis. Next, your co-authors, this is very, very important, my friends. Your co-authors must give the declaration that you are the tree and they are small twigs of this big tree. Without this, DSc thesis cannot be even submitted. Next. Now we have to face 2 Indian and 3 foreign examiners. Each and every one of them have their respective DEng, DSc, or DELET degrees, and they are full professors by designation. Next, the university will communicate your PhD. Mind here, I repeat, the university will communicate your PhD and DSc or DEng or DELET theses simultaneously to each of them, and each of them must give their respective positive report. Next, by comparing your DEng, DSc or DELET thesis with your respective PhD thesis, if any one of them, that is the 5 examiner, observes that your DEng, DELET, or DSc thesis is the extension of your PhD thesis, then the degree of DEng or DSc or DELET will not be awarded to you. Be careful. Next, any modification of your Dange, DSC, delete thesis by any one of them simply means that you are not going to receive your DSC, Dange or delete degree. Next, the PhD thesis can be re-examined on the re-examined. That means you are writing the PhD thesis again and resubmitting on the basis of referee's recommendation. But this is not at all true for Dange, delete or DSCD thesis. Next, just for this reason, the Dange, DSc or delete degree holders are much less in numbers as compared to the corresponding PhD degree holders. Next, as an example, after 116 years, the creation of Calcutta University, the sum of Dange plus DSc plus delete degree holders is really less than 500. Next, after 67 years of the creation of Jadavpur University, the sum of the Dange, DSc plus delete degree holders is less than 30. Next, in short, PhD degree means, I repeated, sorry, in short, PhD degree means you are at least knowledgeable in your very small topic of research, whereas the Dange, DSc or delete degree holder means you are surely a creative grandmaster in your own pinpointed topic of research. Next, book publication. It is extremely important. This I have got a chance. In this chance, I am going to give you everything, my dear friends, with respect to research, with respect to PhD DSc, with respect to ordinary textbook, and with respect to also research monographs. I have presented my Dange thesis to my lovable Alex sir. If you need, you can go and see how it is. But remember, it was in 1991, 30 years ago. At that time, presentation was not good, bad. But by seeing this, you can understand how you can move for your Dange degree thesis, Dange thesis. Now come to book publication. There are two types of books in general. One, textbook at BTech and MTech level, another research monographs. Let us talk about BTech at MTech level. How I can write a BTech level book? Go on. There must be a chapter number 0, which will contain all the background formulas to go through the book. I repeat again, there must be a chapter number 0, which will contain all the background knowledge you think they are needed to go through your book. In the right hand blank portion of each page, starting from chapter 0, must contain the summary of that page in a very condensed way. Next, before starting the chapter, the whole summary of the chapter must be placed. Next, the writer must think that the basic knowledge of the student is limited to class 12 maximally. Next, all sums will be graded depending on chapter 1. Chapter 2 will be written. In this way, the whole book must be completed. Next, enough graded problems and MCQs must be given. For each MCQ, in the answer, please explain the reason behind the right choice, not only writing the proper answer. The student will not be able to understand. Write the MCQ, write the right answer in the answer sheet, and then explain why you are choosing this. Without explanation, mere writing is meaningless. Next, the book writer must remember that he is not an assembler. I have seen many books. I am the expert of many publishers. But here I have seen the book writers is assembling. Taking from many sources is not book writing. The English should be very lucid, simple, and to the point. The book must be written in the staircase principle. Staircase principle. Next. The manuscript of the book should be deeply read by a mature person in the appropriate line so that his comments may be considered with due weightage at the appropriate places. Very, very important. Because your manuscript will be sent to 5 or 6 referees if you take very famous foreign publisher in this context. Next. Initially, your book manuscript will be rejected from the international publisher in your first attempt in general. Next. Please add the comments of the referee in the revised manuscript as you have done at the time of doing publishing paper, and move to another international expert. In this way, a time will come when your book will be accepted for publication. Please remember the same principle which we discussed when you are thinking that my paper will be rejected. If you follow this process, both your papers and your books will be accepted by very good publishers and very good journals. Next. Please remember, publication of a very good book from a renowned publisher is a matter of chance, but chance prefers the prepared writer with alert mind. I repeat, prepared writer with alert mind. At this point, I want to discuss with Avyakta. My Gurudev, he read Avyakta of Jagdish Chandra Bose. Here Jagdish Chandra Bose is writing one very famous thing. আপনারা আমার যা উন্নতি দেখিতেছেন তা আমার মনকে আমি নিরন্তর কষাঘাত করিয়া সজীব রাখিয়েছি। রিপিট, কি বলছেন? নিরন্তর কষাঘাত করিয়া সজীব রাখিয়েছি। I have to be alert. I have to be my own people. I have to whip my mind. I have to be alert. I have to be point oriented. Otherwise, I cannot be a very good writer with a very good name and fame. Next. I hope if you follow the set points rather deeply, your book will enjoy high selling cross sections, although international competition in book publication is rather very high. Same points are also applicable for writing textbook in postgraduate classes. Next. What's the time now? Research monographs. Now you are writing research monographs. I will tell you everything. Next. Research monograph means you are publishing a pinpointed topic of your research for at least 20 years or more, and then writing the monograph on the basis of the same. Here, your contribution is more than 60%, and the contribution of the other researchers is less than 40%. This is very important. Research monographs are meant for the PhD aspirant and postdoctoral persons. Here, competition is rather less. In many cases, your monograph may be the first monograph in your line if you are so lucky. In my 10 published monographs, more than 10 monographs, I am the first writer of that monograph, and it is going to enjoy very large selling cross sections. I hope in your case, same will be. Please believe me. Next. You can convert your creative ability into name and fame. Next. You can also be rich with respect to mind and money. I believe. Don't run after money. Money will run after you. Run after creativity. Run after publication of papers. Run after publication of research monographs. Money will run after you. I am sure, 100% assurance, you can also be rich, both with respect to mind and money. Please remember, you can get more money, but you cannot get more time. because time is your real bank. Don't misuse. Please understand, if you are 30 years of 60 years working life, 30 years are lost due to your principle maximum partners per theorem. Less 30 years are there. Here, one third we are sleeping. That is 30 into one third is 10. Only 20 years there. In 60 years of very effective life, I cannot use more than 20 years. My most important bank in the first time, in the second time, in the last time. With time, we come. With time, we go. The difference time between the entry, input, and exit is known as life. Be careful. Life is very, very precious. Next, I have some personal appeal to the family members of IMEM family. One, please understand that young faculty member is no good if his teacher learns nothing new from him. Repeat, nothing new from him, and gives his teacher nothing to be proud of. Next, move with creativity and enjoy your work. Good luck. Next, please remember, I am yours, 100% yours. If I can help anyone of you to write your danger thesis, publication of books, and research monographs, then the very basic purpose of my academic life will be totally fulfilled before living in a world from where there is no return visa. Next, all of us, India is famous for two R. One R for Rabindranath and another R for Ramanujam. My father gave me books of Ramanujam and Rabindranath at the age of 10. From then, they are my life heroes. Rabindranath said, আমার মাথা নত করে দাও হে তোমার চরণ দোলার তরে. Please Ashirwad me so that I can bow down my head to the dust of all persons fed in order to enjoy God's love from every heart. Next. I, hands folded, I am extremely grateful. All of you have heard my words. I am really, really very, very grateful to all of you. And I wish all of you have a very bright, prosperous, and creative, bright future. Good night. Thanks to all of you. Shumanta? Shumanta,
Thank you very much, sir.
please tell me the questions.
I would like to congratulate Professor Ghatak sir for his outstanding presentation and enlightening us with the research techniques that we need to follow in preparing PhD thesis and the do's and don'ts we should follow and what PhD degree means and so on. So the first question is that what is the difference between SCI and SCIE? It is asked by Professor Soumi Datta madam.
Show me. Show me. Real thing is this. In SCI, paper publication is tough. SCIE, paper publication is rather easy. As compared to SCI, and ESCI, paper publication is rather easy. But three things I can tell you with respect to foreign expert are more or less same. They don't bother. Five things are there. SCI, SCIE, ESCI, together, all meaning you know. I am not going to tell the meaning. Meaning are available in dictionary, and I know Show Me is a very bright worker, research worker. Then Web of Science, Scopus accepted, and your AICT and UGC accepted journals. All of them are same, at least to foreign experts. One is expanded first, another is expanded last. Nothing more. Another. Shumanta?
Yes, sir. Right now, no other question. So I would like the participants, request the participants to kindly write your, or directly you can ask the questions to
Yes.
KPG sir.
I am always available here.
Yes, sir.
No problem.
Yes, sir.
You can always come to me. As I have told there also, if I can help anyone, my life is totally accomplished. With you may ask, you may tell that your branch is different, no doubt, but with respect to my experience, by using my experience, I can really help you in the real sense of the term. I am yours. I wrote in a writtenly. What more can I write?
So there's a question by Professor Dr. Subroto Chattopadhyay, sir. Should one move from secondary to primary research?
I can't understand.
I
What
can
is the meaning of that?
should
What
one
research is research? What is secondary research? What is primary research? What professor wants to mean? Please ask.
So, Dr. Subroto Chattopadhyay, sir, I would request you to please unmute yourself. You can ask directly.
Respected sir, good evening.
Yes, good evening.
Sir, what I actually meant is that, say, researchers who are in the early stage of their research, should they go for, literature-based research or, field research? Is there any
First is
flow
literature
for
based.
that?
My
Absolutely, that's what I was saying. Yes.
humble submission is you must know what you are doing. Therefore, recent literature survey is my first step.
Absolutely.
If I
Sir.
do not know what the other big peoples are telling about the very pinpointed topic research which I have chosen, I cannot move at all. Therefore, literature survey is extremely important. But please remember, your guru is your guide. He is PhD guide who can really help tell you what to do and what not to do. Without my guru, Professor Nag, I am nothing. Believe it to me. Anyone more?
Yes, sir. Professor Sujata Ghotok, madam, has asked, are literature review and related work are the both same?
Not at all. I am reading literature. Just I want to highlight what points I want to understand, which points are very important. By knowing this, I am choosing my problem. I am discussing with my guide. I am discussing with my group. I am trying to solve the problem. I am doing the problem. I am trying to publish the problem the way which I have told. Another one?
No, sir. Right now, no other question I can see.
I want to ask a question, Dr. Ghatak.
Yes, sir.
This is Professor AKC.
Yes, sir.
Good evening. Thank you for your nice lecture, sir. I want to ask you a very stupid question, perhaps. And that is,
No, sir.
how does the reviewer, he has a task of finding out how good a paper is, and how will he perhaps judge whether the paper is the effort of a tremendous amount of work, reading, study, and different from plagiarism, which is very important.
One.
Would you like to comment on that?
Yeah. Plagiarism, by using plagiarism in software, I can check the plagiarism. This I have to check. I am a paper writer. I am the author. Before communicating a paper to a journal, I must go through plagiarism checking software, which will tell me that I should be less than 20%. This is in my hand. I have seen if you really do something good, then I have written one thing, iceberg principle. 1/6 is written, 5/6 are hidden. From the hidden 5/6, my knowledgeable referee will understand how much creative I am. And on the basis of this, will accept the paper. Am I clear?
Thank you very much, sir.
Okay, many thanks.
So, anyone, you have any question, you can also ask directly us. So, I have my own question. There is thing, it may be stupid. What are the best things we should note while reviewing the literature paper?
Okay, first, I am telling you, I have gone through each and every tab-based step. I remember each and everything. Okay, first, you read the chapter you like, papers you like. First, you take the review papers of giants. You read it, and then try to find out which path is less populated. Because I have told you, it is easy to publish paper in a less populated zone, but it is tough to publish paper in thickly populated zone. Try to see relative less population. I think with your friends and with your guide, you will be able to know which path is less populated. Then, with one or two like-minded people, you try to write a paper. Am I clear? By using the principles of how to write a paper, which I have discussed now. Am I clear or no?
Yes, sir.
I think.
Thank you, sir.
Okay,
So-
great.
Another question asked by Sohini Datta Madam. Is it always mandatory to do validity test for research questionnaire?
Obviously, it is my duty to show the validity test, mathematical compatibility, or anything. I must show that my generalized result, which I am claiming as a new one, is being reduced under certain approximation to already well-known result which are given in the book. If not, the referee will think there is some error somehow, somewhere. This is the referee's mind. I am the referee of many papers. I first try to see, well, he is claiming that his research is new, his expression is new, but under what condition? This gives me a well-known form, which is already well-known. Am I clear? Sumanta, am I clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So next question by Professor Shashwati Burman, Madam. How much weightage is given to the analysis of the results as compared to the results?
I can't understand.
Yes, I can repeat. How much weightage is given to the analysis of results as compared to the results?
I can't understand even.
Shashwati, Madam, Shashwati Madam, can you hear me, sir?
Yes,
Sound
there's
is
too
being
much
produced. I can't hear. Sound.
Yes, yes, sir.
Sumanta,
I'm
yes.
what I'm saying is that sometimes we get experimental results or computational results.
Yes.
So we need to analyze and discuss the results with some new physics or new science. So
Right.
can we publish the result without analyzing it? Means
No.
in a paper,
No.
how much weightage is given to the
No.
analysis as compared to the results you have obtained? I mean, experimental results or numerical results.
No, you have to give some comparative study. You have to give some comparative study. Whatever new you are telling, it may be a very high-end calculation, but under certain conditions, it should must converge to well-known result. If I am doing some very high-end computer with a very high-end calculation, which needs a supercomputer, well, great. But under certain condition, this may lead to already well-known result. So that your publication of the paper will be easy. It is not the mandatory. You are very right. It is not the mandatory. But if I can perform this analysis, then the acceptance is easy because referee thinks, well, this paper is at least okay because under certain condition, it gives to results which is well known. Am I clear to certain extent?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Thank you. You are a very good worker, that I know.
Yes, sir. So next question asked by Sudipta Basupal, Madam. Sir, please share your views regarding the importance of impact factor of journals.
I am telling you. In my time, only the thing is foreign journal or not. Then came impact factor. Now came 4 types of, this was the scenario up to 2015 like that. Now this structure has been changed. Now 3 structures are people are telling: SCI, SCIE, ESCI, then web science of web or Scopus in this way. Because we have seen when the papers are published even in very great journals, but they are not being cited. You are going to get paper in Nature. I was one of the time a referee in Nature. All of you know the Fermi-Dirac function. he is going to get the degeneracy by changing temperature. And due to his very good luck, he published it in Nature, but it was not cited. That is why three things are coming nowadays. One is H index, I-10 index, total citation. In this way, one scientist or engineer is being measured by other. Am I clear? You ask,
Yes.
Sumanta asked Sudipta Pal whether I am clear or not.
Is it clear, madam? Yes, sir. Okay, thank you, sir. So if you have any other doubt, you can ask. Yes.
I am your departmental person. You can always come to me. I come here at 9 and leave at 6. From Monday to Friday and sometimes Saturday also. I am yours as I told. Sumanta?
Next question by Professor Abhishek Haldar. Sir, can you please enlighten us on Q1, Q2, and Q3 types of SCI or SCIE journals?
Yes, you can come to my room. We can discuss and tell you. That is a long answer. Already 9. I am talking for 60 minutes. Yes, it is a valid thing. You can come to me. We can discuss and tell you how to do it so that you can do it independently.
Yes.
Another
next,
one?
Yes, sir. Next question by Professor Bikas Chaudhuri. Sir, what is the difference between special issue journal paper and normal journal paper?
There are two differences. Special issue means the journal publishers are finding out a great man, a man on the line, masterman. And that masterman generally choose his specialization and he invites very few special people to contribute. Don't think not referring. It is also being highly comes through very solid referring procedure. Then they do it. That means special issue means very restricted, whereas your journal, when you come for ordinary journal, it is totally broad. Condensed matter physics, I am now the editor of a special issue which simply tells band structure dependent properties of non-structured material. That means this type of thing. And myself, I am writing this monograph. I am the editor of Condensed Matter Physics Hyundai. You see what is the issue? Band structure dependent properties of nanostructured material. How narrow, point-wise. Therefore, number of papers, writers will be much less, but they're masterman. Therefore, some light can be thrown. Whereas in general issues, these are not there. All types of papers, obviously, containing the domain of the papers, domain of the topics, which that particular journal considers comes. Am I clear? Shimon Pax,
Yes, thank you very much, sir. Yes. And next question by Professor Kakoli Datta, madam. How important it is to give my own publication in reference?
Extremely important. Extremely important. It means that you are a live worker. Very good question. All questions are good, but I am very enlightened when you are asking me this question. It means you are a live worker. You are publishing regularly. That is why you are giving your own reference in your own paper. And this is a very important thing. In this way also, you can increase your citations. Next.
Thank you, sir. Next, Professor Sanjay Mondol, sir, has asked, can be a paper rejected after multiple revisions? Can author challenge the rejection issues to the editor? The first question is,
I'm telling you, you are asking a touchy question. Generally, after 5 to 6 times, my experience says, when I move through a paper 5 to 6 times in various journals, my paper gets accepted. But if I challenge the referee, it means I am earmarked. These referees will tell the other referees, they will be unnecessarily strict with you. My objection, my point is this: please take this suggestion from this old man. Don't try to challenge. In challenging, you may win, but remember, you are losing many important journals. The referees will tell other referees, and the band of referees are very small. Please remember. Am I clear? Shumant Paxton.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Is there any other question? There's no other questions, but lots of thank you messages are there. Professor Prabir Kumar.
Thank you,
yes,
messages.
sir.
Can you show?
Just a minute. Yeah, no other question right now. Prabir Kumar Das sir has said, thank you, sir, for your excellent presentation. Also, Dr. Subrata Chattopadhyay sir has said, thanks a lot, sir, to respected sir and to all esteemed faculty. Abhijit Korgupta sir also said, thanks for your kind consideration and look forward to hearing from you soon. Doipan sir also said, thanks a lot, sir. There are lots of thank you messages, and also we would like to thank you, sir. You supported us a lot. Thank you.
Beta, I will be pleased if you really use me in the real sense of the term.
Yes, sir.
If you really use me, mere thank you has got no value to me. If you really use me in the real sense of the term, if I can help you in writing books, papers, and then research monographs, and helping to write DSc thesis or DH thesis, I feel myself to be amply rewarded. As I told, before going to live in a world from where there is no return visa. Okay, good night to all of you.
Sir, here,
yes, yes.
Here, sir, I would like to just mention one point here, sir, and to all the participants here, I thank you so much for this wonderful presentation, and we have learned a lot of things from you. And this is my suggestion that this FDP is not only for the newer researchers who have just joined the doctoral program and are writing papers or are writing thesis, but this is equally important for all the PhD holders even, who will be guiding the research scholars as well as who are already guiding the research scholars in their own field. So I think this is an excellent opportunity for all of us to learn from you, sir. And thank you so much for this wonderful presentation. And I thank all the participants also for attending this FDP. Thank you very much.
Great. Thank you. Sumanta?
Thank you, sir.
That's
Thank
all?
you, everyone. Yes.
Say good night to all of you.
Yes.
Please tell good night in lieu of me, for me.
Yes,
good
sir.
night to all of you. Great. You have given me a chance. Pranam to all of you. Good night.
Good night, sir. Good night, sir.
Good night, sir.
Good night, sir.